In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook. If you've ever wondered where your outgoing messages go after you hit send, this quick walkthrough will help you get there confidently and every time. We'll be using Outlook on the web, also known as Outlook Live, so all you need is a browser and your Microsoft account. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on the Outlook home experience. Depending on what you were doing last, you might see Mail, Calendar, or another app. What we want is the Mail view, since that's where your folders and messages live. Once you're in Outlook, switch to Mail. You'll usually find Mail in the left sidebar or along the app bar at the top. If you already see your inbox and folders on the left, you're in the right place. If you see Calendar or People instead, just select Mail to bring up your email folders. Now, look to the folder list on the left and choose Sent Items. This folder stores copies of emails you've successfully sent from your account. When it opens, you'll see your most recent messages at the top by default. Each entry shows the recipient, subject, and time sent, and messages with attachments will display a small paperclip icon. Open any message to review the recipients, confirm when it was sent, or resend and forward if needed. A couple of quick pointers to make this even easier. If you don't immediately see sent items, the sidebar might be collapsed. Hover over it or expand the folder list so everything is visible. Some layouts also tuck folders under a folder's heading. Sent items will be there too. Within sent items, the search bar at the top is your best friend. Type a recipient's name, a keyword from the subject, or even a phrase from the email body to narrow things down fast. You can also sort by date or recipient to change how the list is organized. If you ever wonder why a message isn't in sent items, double check that it was actually sent and not still in drafts. Drafts hold messages you started but didn't send, while sent items holds messages that have gone out. And that's all there is to it. Go to Outlook on the web, make sure you're in Mail, and open sent items to see every email you've sent. With that, you'll always know where to find and confirm your outgoing messages. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.